Did you know that an estimated 75% of the world's population is deficient in vitamin B6? That's more than half the world's population. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health. It's responsible for producing the neurotransmitters that regulate emotions, enhancing brain development and function, and even boosting our immune system. Yet despite its importance, a surprising number of us are not getting enough of this essential nutrient. The consequences of a vitamin B6 deficiency are not to be taken lightly. They can range from mild symptoms like fatigue and confusion to more severe health conditions such as anemia and weakened immune function. We live in a world where health awareness is at an all-time high, yet a significant percentage of us are falling short on this crucial vitamin. With such an alarming number of people deficient in this crucial vitamin, it's time we delve deeper into the world of vitamin B6.
While all vitamins and minerals are essential for our health, vitamin B6 holds a special place. It's a true powerhouse, with unique benefits and functions that set it apart from the crowd. Let's unravel this a bit further. Picture yourself at a grand banquet where every vitamin and mineral has its own seat at the table. Each one plays a crucial role, but vitamin B6, it's like the maestro, orchestrating a symphony of biological reactions in your body. It's involved in over 100 enzyme reactions, mainly related to protein metabolism. Now that's something not every vitamin can boast about. Compare it with its siblings in the B vitamin family. B12, for example, is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Folic acid, or B9, is a must for cell growth and metabolism. But B6, it's a multitasker. It's not only involved in cognitive development and immune function, but also aids in the function of nerves, skin, and red blood cells. Now let's bring minerals into the picture. Magnesium aids in bone health and calcium absorption, while iron is necessary for carrying oxygen in our blood. They're important, no doubt, but they're like the string section in our orchestra, playing their part, but not conducting the show. But here's where it gets interesting. Vitamin B6 doesn't just perform solo, it's a team player working in synergy with other nutrients. It helps magnesium to be absorbed into the body's cells. It also works hand in hand with vitamin B9 and B12 to control high levels of homocysteine in the blood, which can lead to heart disease if left unchecked. So, while it's essential to have a balanced intake of all vitamins and minerals, the role of vitamin B6 is undeniably vital. It's a conductor, a collaborator, and a caretaker, all rolled into one. As you can see, vitamin B6 is a standout nutrient, but it doesn't work alone. It's a team player in the grand scheme of our health. Knowing the importance of vitamin B6 is only half the battle. The other half is knowing when and how to take it. So let's get into that, shall we? Vitamin B6, unlike some other vitamins, does not have a specific time of day that's best for intake. This powerhouse nutrient can be taken at any time of day that suits your routine. The most crucial part is to take it consistently, making it part of your daily habit. Incorporating vitamin B6 into your diet is quite straightforward. You can find it in food sources like poultry, fish, and some fruits and vegetables. But if your lifestyle demands a bit more, B6 supplements can be a great aid. Now here's an important note. Vitamin B6 should not be taken alongside certain medications without consulting a healthcare professional, as it could affect how the medication works. Remember, it's not just about taking your vitamins, it's about making them work for you. So, how much vitamin B6 do you really need, and what does the latest research say about its benefits? Let's start with the basics. The official recommendation is that adults should aim to consume about 1.3 milligrams of vitamin B6 each day. This can be achieved through a balanced diet that includes vitamin B6-rich foods like poultry, fish, and certain fruits and vegetables. However, the maximum daily dosage is a different story. This is where things get a little more complex. Generally, it is advised not to exceed 100 milligrams per day. While vitamin B6 is water-soluble and excess amounts are usually flushed out by the body, consuming too much over a prolonged period can lead to nerve damage. Now, there are situations where higher dosages might be needed. For instance, individuals with certain medical conditions, like kidney disease or malabsorption syndromes, might require more vitamin B6. This is because these conditions can affect the body's ability to absorb and use this vitamin effectively. But remember, any increase in dosage should always be guided by a healthcare professional. So, what does the latest research tell us about the benefits of vitamin B6? Well, recent studies have shed light on its role in heart health. It appears that vitamin B6 can help reduce high homocysteine levels, which are linked to heart disease. Other studies have suggested that it might help slow the progression of certain eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, research is ongoing into the potential benefits of vitamin B6 in areas like cognitive function and cancer prevention. Although these studies are still in their early stages, the results are promising. It's also worth noting that vitamin B6 doesn't work in isolation. It's part of a complex network of vitamins and minerals in our bodies. For it to function optimally, it's necessary to maintain a balanced intake of other nutrients as well. As with all things, balance is key. Too little vitamin B6 can be harmful, but so can too much. Always follow the recommended dosage unless advised otherwise by a healthcare professional. We've covered a lot of ground today on vitamin B6. We've unveiled the shocking reality of its deficiency and contrasted it with other vital vitamins and minerals. We've offered guidance on when and how to take this essential nutrient and delved into dosage recommendations and recent medical studies. It's clear that vitamin B6 is a crucial player in our overall health. It's not just about taking it, but knowing how to supplement it effectively, understanding its interactions with other nutrients, and being aware of the signs of deficiency. Now it's over to you. Dive deeper into this subject. Educate yourself further, and while you're at it, why not check out our other videos? We've got a treasure trove of health and wellness tips waiting for you. And if you've got any questions, ideas, or thoughts, we'd love to hear them in the comments section. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.